Look at her belly. Oh my god. She's so... Your friend's gonna say...
Oh man.
Oh dude, that was a nice truck. Carrying a snow machine.
Going too fast for the snowbird.
Yeah, one of these days that thing is gonna go ring in someone's car.
I'm not wearing the right socks.
Keepy!
Where's you mad at, Bobby?
Oh, dang it. She's like, what were you thinking, sister?
I don't like this weather. My place is cold. My belly's wet. I'm very dirty.
Skippy, Skippy. Poor little baby girl's freezing.
I have a dirty belly, too.
Be something.
Not to mention I'm getting dirty.
Oh my god, looks like you're wearing sunglasses when you turn around. I can't do it. It's too flush.
Yeah, I wouldn't try to play on flush.
I might have to put snow on my thing and go whee. I did that once. But they don't want me to go ice skating.
No, I do not want. There's a little dog in there. Hey, Josie, could be your new friend.
Maybe your boyfriend. Yeah, your friend would probably say, ooh, I want to see Tiffany go on ice skates out in there. If you give me $100, I would do it. Or maybe $1,000.
You are a pork chop. You're heavy.
Aren't we happy, little dear? You know, she put on a couple pounds. Actually, it's a good exercise.
Shoo! What you doing, dog? Oh, my back.
Holy crap, my legs are freezing. Popsicle sticks. Yeah, there's like a lot of people from like, Israel, South America. They're in a nice warm place.
Right.
And we're right up here freezing our butts off.
It's actually not that bad out today.
Nice! I'll probably cut this on this camera, turd. Looks like they came back from somewhere, because last time it was nothing there. Last time I came walking out. Yeah, there's one house back there I really, really want.
I mean, now you're really shivering, Sticky. What's the matter?
She's freezing. What's the matter, baby? Let me zoom in of you, Skippy.
I went for my pork chop.
Yeah, when you're shivering. You need a hat, you need a gloves, you need a scarf around you, and you need mittens on your little paws.
Little booties.